It's okay. It's okay, babe.
Wait, because she's like singing something. The reflection.
No.
No. What is that song? Oh, okay.
I'll tell you what, these feet pics better start selling.
You're doing amazing, sweetie.
How do you know when a blonde has used your computer?
I don't know.
The joystick's wet.
Gross.
Because you've been crying.
I have been crying. Okay, my turn.
I feel like Peyton's actually getting real angry at me now.
I don't get it wet.
Yeah.